it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Alright, guys, today we're with Doza Medicine. Yes, man, from them time. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. Yes, with Helpless Defense. Yes. Doza Medicine with Helpless Defense. Let's jump in the one and here with the G after say, man. Let's go, man. Also, no, wait, let's say it here. Wait, make it go.
When them see me, tell them try to talk, and them know me head 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 from them son. Some rascal rifle from Russia, and some shot from the China part. Anyway, them see me, tell them try no warm. Tell them just try no warm. All when them are using bolt and them kind of fast. Hoof calf pine apart. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, stupid disease coming vivid man page. But murderer will kill more than him age. So him dead if it's just through his waist. Bullet enter him head side exit through his head. Boy will try break me jaw in me live in tears. Kill and destroy it to me it a maze. Shot to separate vertebral from ribcage. Me shot to dismantle vertebra. Boy dead, yeah. I trim sissy ways. Every day get up a single man with him fishy ways. Up on the internet I talk about me have crooked ways. When me put bullet in a boy I never look for grace. Make it them
Hold on. Hold on, let's go back again because hold on.
If we don't really want you to again, say boom bang!
Boom bang!
full scale war and on little gauge. When them see me, tell them try to talk.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, big up.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 from them son. Some rascal rifle from Russia, and some shot from the China part. Anyway, them see me, tell them try no warm. Tell them just try no warm. All when them are using bolt and them kind of fast. Hoof calf pine apart. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, stupid disease coming vivid man page. But murderer will kill more than him age.
Alright, the party of the song, the first 16 of the song for me, it's like you strain your ears for listen. Like you can't do nothing else but you try to concentrate the most to listen. So this is not Doza Medicine's fault right here. This is the producer, the person who mixed the song. These are the engineers problem right here. So engineers, fix it up. Fix up.
Stupid disease coming vivid man page. But murderer will kill more than him age. Half saw him dead if it's just through his waist. Bullet enter him head side exit through his head.
So him say all murderer will kill more than him age. So if you are 20, you gonna kill more than 20 man because you kill more than your age. Alright.
Half saw him dead pass. Hoof calf pine apart. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, stupid disease coming vivid man page. But murderer will kill more than him age. So him dead if it's just through his waist. Bullet enter him head side exit through his head. Boy will try break me jaw in me live in tears. Kill and destroy it to me it a maze. Shot to separate vertebral from ribcage. Me shot to dismantle vertebra. Boy dead, yeah. I trim sissy ways. Every day get up a single man with him fishy ways.
Yeah man, boy dead I chew him dirty ways. Every day him get up a single man with him fishy. I want to stop singing, hey boy. That's what the G said, not me.
Boy dead, yeah. I trim sissy ways. Every day get up a single man with him fishy ways. Up on the internet I talk about me have crooked ways. When me put bullet in a boy I never look for grace. Make it them
yeah, man, so when me put bullet in a boy, them go look for grave. Them dead. D-E-A-D. Or you can say D-E-D dead. Yes, I want to hear you hold them out. Well on.
Come in a foreign.
full scale war and on little gauge. Yeah, them make me temporize. I never look fishy ways. Up on the internet I talk about me have crooked ways. When me put bullet in a boy I never look for grace. Make it them full scale war and on little gauge. Yeah.
Look at Gage get a bind just to you know. I'm saying give them full-fledged war, full out war, all out war, and a little Gage. On a Gage you know apart from 12 Gage, a Gage almighty.
Me put bullet in a boy I never look for grace. Make it them full scale war and on little gauge. Yeah, them make me temporize up in the wicked rage. Make it them 1/3 of the library of Alexandria. Me not talk about no little page. Not
Me give them 1/3 of the library of Alexandria. Me not talk about a little page. Somebody tell us, say, yo, him give 1/3 of the library, brother. You know how much booking at the library? The library of Alexandria, you know how much booking at that? Furthermore, you know how much page in a one of them book there? So me give you 1/3 of that. And a little page me give, brother. Bigger than an encyclopedia.
Make it them full scale war and a little gauge. Yeah, them make me temporize up in the wicked rage. Make it them 1/3 of the library of Alexandria. Me not talk on a little page. Not even a word from the teach to the critics says. When me murder people, me no look for praise. When me do, walk go look for beef, go cook for days. I look for DJ on the stage, so we book for days.
Man say, yo, him walk go look for beef, he cook for days. Oh, furthermore, me go up on the stage, go look for DJ too. And what them they're not safe, I could up on the stage shows, in the studios, anywhere. We are go for them.
Walk go look for beef, go cook for days. I look for DJ on the stage, so we book for days. I say them bad sound sweet, yeah, to the ears. Them they from better than me when me in my rookie days.
Them say them bad, yeah, that sounds sweet, that sound nice and dandy, and that sound appealing to the ears. But you're not bad like me. All when time in my rookie years. All when time in my rookie days. Me a little boy, you still never bad like me then, and you still can't bad like me now, pussy. Me better than you for my worst day, pussy. That's what the said, not me.
I say them bad sound sweet, yeah, to the ears. Them they from better than me when me in my rookie days. We make bullet go sing in a boy, big head like one of me who them when not nice, took for years. Stupid.
Man say. Make bullet singing in your big head like one I'm hook them when not nice took for phrase.
Because singing a boy big head like one of me hook them when not nice took for phrase. Stupid busy coming giving man page. Whole murderer will kill more than him age. Ask why him dead if it's just through his waist. Bullet enter him head side exit through his head. Boy we try break me jaw hit me live in tears. Kill and destroy it to me it a base. Shot is separate vertebral from ribcage. Me shot it this man uncle vertebra. Me create catastrophe. Me no little tropics time. Fool, every time you see me, you know me strap and harm.
Me create catastrophe and a little tropic storm. And a little rain or breeze storm, this brother. This a hurricane, this a catastrophe. When me pass through, people dead. When me pass through, you see me have me thing.
Catastrophe, me no little tropics time. Fool, every time you see me, you know me strap and harm. Your enemies appears, and the attack is on. War we feel the here, and that attack one time Gandhi war, woulda pick up it. But to them fool at some big hypocrite me does. Buy a buck 19 crime and sip up it, it's embarrassing. Fear the flag as successive quit. Why you think me rise up some rascal, sip up it? But to them fool at some big hypocrite me does. Buy a buck 19 crime and sip up it, it's embarrassing. Fear the flag as successive quit. What you think?
It's embarrassing to fear the flag as I say, save a quit.
Fuck a 19 crime and sip up it, it's embarrassing. Fear the flag as successive quit. What you think me rise up some rascal quick? For me and boy fool faster than dinner quick. Me have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All them killer 6. Me know who are the prop. Hey, me figure it. And when you try to throw me under the bus, dog, me still a rich. Sing 30 song and no reply to me, hit silly. I think they got.
The part of the Derribat part, definitely. So I must say, yo, you try to throw me under the bus. So we say Derribat go up on dancehall hot seat. And I see a bag of things. Furthermore, all right, listen to me, dog. Listen to me. If you know what the G feature up on the platform and come tell a theme story, come tell a theme side, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. We can get that done. We can get that done by Friday. Let me know in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man, let me know in the comment section. Because we like give people the platform for forward and talk for them side of story. It's not a one-sided thing over here, so. One person come and call a name, we're going to give you that platform there to come and clear your name. Defend your thing. Defend your badness. Yes. Defend your badness. And that's right there. So if you don't want those up on the platform, let me know, dog. Yeah, make him come talk for him thing. Because like me say, we say the G forward and say a bag of things about Doza. So the G does a... Yeah, he might defend him thing. Nothing wrong with that. Can't not that. You know? So big up Doza, yeah.
Try to throw me under the bus, dog, me still a rich. Sing 30 song and no reply to me, hit silly. I think the God of music will answer your prayers, just a silly wish. That's just a...
So I must say, yo, Derribat sings 30 song and still no reply to theme song. And thinks that the God of music, which is cartel. He must say a cartel. So him thinks that the God of music, I go reply to you. That is a silly wish. That will never happen. That will never happen like snow falling off a tree. That not go on. But that's what the G said, not me. Let's go.
And no reply to me, hit silly. I think the God of music will answer your prayers, just a silly wish. That's just a silly wish. Yes, that's just a silly wish. Acting like this big bag of chip with the dip. Well, it's just a big bag of shit.
Man says a big bag of shit. Man says a big bag of shit. Never, the man says a big bag of shit, bro. I don't make sense to me. This has to reiterate big word again. Where me find them big word from? Me my vocabulary does a big family or something. You know, I was cool, me go, I was cool. But yeah. Doza! Big up as MG. Engineer, we do this. You need to step up the game because things and time change now. Quality of speak, brother. Quality of speak. And the rest of artists, them, even Deborah sang them quality up. You see me? Yeah, Cargo sang them quality up. You see me? Sean Sam sang them quality up. So make sure the quality of the song them up, bro. Please. Make sure the quality of the song them up where the G are show about. You see me? Because people are going to talk. You see me? So yeah. Even though sometimes we never care what people are saying, but right is right. If the people them right, them right. The song, the song put together good, but the quality of it, You know what I mean? Yes, that is my take on it still. But let me know what you guys think on the comment section, and also let me know if you guys want to see those upon the platform, as Sefim say. You see me? Yes, we just get the artists on the platform for so them I say, talk them I talk, rant, vent, whatever them I do. You see me? So yeah, just make me know if you want that, and we can make that happen. You see me? Yeah. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.